Check that weird stripe. Suntanned face. Usually, it's been a while, like, usually just like brown. I wanted to say, like, if you have to eat meat and you treat it humanely, and let's say it's a cattle, then you wait for that cattle's kid to grow as big as that cattle before you like with that cattle, so the one another one has a kid again, just like because they form family bonding, and in a later age it's more acceptable for them when they have their own kids, and to like humanely like slaughter them, not stressful, like while they're like walking around in the field, they just drop like flies, and try to eat less of them, because the issue is like karma, like you insinuate like a type of thing in the meat that's bad, like a bad thing, and you have to like pray and thank it for its meat. You can maybe thank God as well, like when you eat whoever is your God. But I mean, you have to thank it, and also like God in a way, when you slaughter them. So I don't know what to do with my dog. It's like, I have to get up early. Look how grey I am. Check them. Shit. The other thing was fearless. How to be fearless. What are you telling that for? That was 6 days ago. Like how to be fearless. Like I mentioned, like a fear of, what was that? God, my mom. Really, really scared of my mom. But I just need a dog again. I'm scared of that. Something that's gonna rattle me. So, but no sticks, no